We have unique. We also have the me in reverse. We have the work in either way. So gusto sana paalala sa atin ng Panginoon na every one of us is unique at saka may sarili tayong task na kailangang gawin para sa mundo. So gusto sanang ipanyaya kayo ng Panginoon na kilalanin mabuti yung inyong sarili kasi whatever your talent is, may kinalaman siya sa yung divine mission work in this world. We have the joke in either way. We also have the copy here. So, gusto sabihin din ng Panginoon na yung talento nyo talaga ay natural. At ayaw niya sana na mangopya kayo ng trabaho ng ibang tao because I feel like God really wants you to trust in yourself. Kung sakali man aminado ka sa sarili mo na hindi naka-align yung work mo, I feel like God is really wanting you to learn more about yourself at mag-focus ka sa talento mo talaga. Kasi sa oras na nag-stick ka sa maling work, hindi yan talaga maging permanent for you. Whether you like it or not, pipilitin ka ng Panginoon na ialis doon in order for you to find the right job for you or even business. We have this one here. We also got this. Iba sa inyo guys, may calling na kayo, pero ayaw nyong i-acknowledge yun. We have this one here, and we got the truth. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na hindi ka naman niya minamadali na gawin mo yung mission mo. Yung gusto lang ipalam sa'yo ng Panginoon kung ano talaga yung talento mo talaga na dapat ka mag-focus. I feel na binibigyan ka ng panahon ng Panginoon in order for you to actually accept your mission work or pwede rin yung pagdidiscover ng iyong sarili. Bibigyan ka ng panahon ng Diyos for that so that you will be able to know the truth about yourself. We also have this one in either way. We also got this, okay? Gusto rin sabihin ng Panginoon na syempre yung mga tao may mission sa mundo, ang pinipigilan sila na mga tao na masasama. Papansin mo naman dito. So, I think na papakita rin sa'yo ng Panginoon yung mga tao na ganito sa iyong buhay. Kasi, first of all, hadlang sila sa iyong, I feel na business, yung pa sa inyo, or pwede rin sa mission nyo. Yung masasabi kong sign about it is with regard sa kanilang words, to be honest. And these people will start to react when actually you're doing something na ikaangat mo. Okay? Basta makikita mo na lang na micro-mentality attitude sila at saka mapapansin mo na ayaw kanilang gumagawa ng mabuti at pipigilan kanila to do that. So, anyway, yung gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, you really have to actually see the red flags. I feel na ipapakita sa'yo ng Panginoon yung iyong hater din. Mag-observe ka sa kanilang pananalita, sa kanilang reaction, and so on. So, anyway, take some time to know yourself. Okay? At ipapakita sa'yo ng Panginoon yung mission mo once that you're ready. Okay? Pero di naman niya hinihiling na gawin mo agad. At least, on your end, you're aware what you're going to do next. Okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys. And God bless all of you.